Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajashekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst, part of MarketSmith India team, which manages model portfolio. Before we go ahead into this podcast, the disclaimer is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. With this disclaimer, let's move to the main part of the podcast by analyzing Nifty's daily price volume action. We have all seen that Nifty breached its 200 DMA in the month of November, and that was reclaimed within a period of a week by the index. This is for the first time the Nifty breached its 200 DMA in more than a year, which signifies that there is some kind of weakness in the market. However, that has been in the past now. The index started to find momentum on the positive side and it started to reclaim its moving averages as well. In the process, it reclaimed 21 DMA and then it was followed by 50 and 100 DMA's reclaim as well. If you look at the last 3 days of Nifty's trading, it has been very good, especially on the price volume action front. Yesterday's action was very strong and the volume was also above average volumes. Nifty was very highly volatile during the session yesterday. However, it managed to reclaim its 50 DMA. 100 DMA is slightly couple of points or fewer points above the current closing price. So Nifty reclaiming 100 DMA and decisively closing 50 and 100 DMA will be very crucial for the index. And the next, there is not much major resistance for the index going forward. So we might see Nifty advancing higher from here and making new all-time highs going forward. On the downside, Nifty holding its key moving averages is going to be very crucial. If those levels are breached, we might see further selling happening in the markets. Coming to the market status, we are in a rally attempt, and we are waiting for a follow-through session on the Nifty index. That is Nifty finding good momentum on above average volumes. If that happens, we will change the market status to confirmed uptrend. Even though we are in rally attempt, we are looking out for stocks which are breaking out and try to be ahead of the game by adding stocks to portfolio as well. Coming to some of the news section and which will be impacting today's markets. One is Nykaa's CEO, Nihir Parikh, has resigned from the company yesterday. So we might see some action on that front. Afcons Infrastructure has achieved longest tunnel construction of tunnel from Delhi Metro Corporation in its phase 4 construction. Ramco Systems has tied up with Hanjin Information to digitize Korean aviation, a very big contract for the company. Definitely, it is going to be a positive opening for the company. GRSC, that is Garden Reach Shipbuilders, has signed a contract to construct and deliver a second ship from the series of 4 ships. And this agreement has been formalized day before yesterday in Germany. Gentek has entered into a partnership with the AVT Simulation to expand its operations in the United States of America. Apart from this, if you look at the institutional activity yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net buyers in the market. They have bought more than 8,500 crores of Indian equities. On the other side, domestic institutions have offloaded their stake in the Indian market. They have sold more than 2,300 crores of their equities in the yesterday's market. Coming to the global market update, the US market closed in the negative territory yesterday overnight. S&P and Nasdaq closed 0.2% low, whereas the Dow Jones closed more than 0.5% lower. Asia markets are trading mixed as we speak. Shanghai is trading with a gain of more than 1.1%, whereas Kospi is trading with a decline of 0.3%, and Nikkei is down more than 0.9%. GIFT Nifty is suggesting opening at around 24,800 levels. Yesterday, Nifty closed at 24,700 level. So 100-point higher opening might be expected. But Nifty holding or sustaining its gains is crucial. And if it finds momentum during the session, we might see a follow-through session happening in the market and changing the market status to confirm the trend. And on the downside, we have talked about importance of key moving averages, and Nifty holding those moving averages is very crucial going forward as well. For the chart of the day, we picked Pitti Engineering. The stock was added to the market model portfolio yesterday. The ratings are looking very good for the company. You can see here, EPS is 92, price strength is 83, and buyer demand at A. All three ratings are exceptionally good. Number of fund section has also seen a sharp improvement. For the last 4 quarters, the company has been able to attract new funds consistently. Chart is also looking very good. Price volume action front and the base formation has been ideal. If you look at the volumes have dried up during the fall, and when it formed right side of the base formation and reclaimed its key moving averages, the volumes have also picked up. Again, a positive sign of strong base pattern. Currently, it is trading slightly below the pivot. However, if it trades again, comes back to the pivot levels, then definitely a very good stock to accumulate during this market situation. Thank you for joining today's pre and have a good trading session.